In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to switch between tabs in Google Chrome by using a keyboard shortcut key. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. So I can see it here. You can see that I have here a lot of open tabs. And in order to switch between tabs here in Google Chrome, all you need to do is you need to press Control and Tab key together, and in that way, you'd be able to switch between the tabs. Control and tab key together. In that way, you'll be able to switch between tabs. Okay, in that way, you can successfully switch it. Okay, so another key that you can use is that press Control and the Shift and Tab key together. And in that way, you'll be able to switch between tab. Control, Control, Shift, and Tab key together. In that way, you'll be able to switch between tab. Okay. Another keyboard shortcut key that you can use is that you can press Control, the number key together. Okay, so let's say for example you wanted to switch to the second tab. Just press Control, the number 2 key together. In that way, you'd be able to move on to the number 2 tab. Okay, Control, then Shift, then 2 key tab. In that way, you'll be able to moved on to the second tab. Okay, in some laptop they control shift or control then the number key will not work out, so you can use the control and tab key together. In that way, you'll be able to switch between tabs here in your Google Chrome. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.